Hello everyone, my name is Lakshman Rao and today I am going to talk about the Meta Machine Learning Engineer interview process. At the end of this video, you should have a good understanding of the process itself, what interviewers look at and a bunch of tips for each round. Quick intro, I am from Prepfully. This video has been put together by Meta ML engineers who are also interview coaches on Prepfully. They have coached hundreds of candidates successfully and are available on the website for direct booking if you're looking for more personalized guidance. Okay then, moving on to the interview. The Meta Machine Learning Engineer interview generally consists of three main rounds: phone screen with a recruiter, technical screen, and on-site interview. Let's discuss each round in detail. So, the phone screen with the recruiter covers both technical and background questions and lasts approximately 45 minutes to an hour. Here's 3 tips for this round. Tip number 1. Make sure you have a short and crisp introduction ready to go when the recruiter asks, "Tell me about yourself." Maybe also include a memorable nugget about yourself that makes you stand out. Second, you will encounter typical behavioral questions like, why Meta? Or why the ML engineering? So have a clear reason for why you are applying at Google, as well as why you think you would succeed in the field. Third, they will inquire about your past roles, relevant skills, challenges you faced, etc. So gather your thoughts about your previous work experiences and decide ahead which specific projects you will discuss. Focus on topics like what your contribution was, how things went, and what you could have done better. Next, we have the technical screen, which is designed to test your ability to think on your feet and code efficiently. 3 quick tips for this round. You will be given a coding problem to solve and asked to write code for it. Here, the interviewer essentially wants to evaluate your problem-solving process and how you handle various cases. So be sure to think through edge cases and scenarios as you code. As is evident, your knowledge of data structures and algorithms should be on point. Next, the coding segment of this will typically be conducted over a video call using BlueJeans. Plus, you will be using CoderPad, an online code editor, for the coding exercises. So make sure you are comfortable with the setup and have a reliable internet connection. Lastly, there will be a couple of behavioral questions as well. So as with the recruiter call, be prepared to discuss previous projects to demonstrate your experience and skills. Now, coming to the main round of on-site interviews. These are typically divided into 3 main rounds, namely the Ninja coding round, the Pirate product or ML systems design round, and the Jedi culture fit round. Let's discuss each of these in detail. So, the first is the coding round, which is designed to evaluate your coding prowess and problem-solving abilities. There will be 3 one-hour coding interviews. You will be presented with 2 lead code medium-level questions in each round, making a total of 6 coding challenges to complete. Here are 3 helpful tips to prepare for these rounds. Make sure you have a solid grasp of data structures and algorithms. Think along the lines of heap, set, red-black trees, randomized quicksort, dynamic programming, heap sort, radix sort, spanning tree, queues, graphs, search, sort, graph traversals, algorithms, etc. Having a strong foundation here will certainly give you an edge. Next, instead of trying to tackle a huge number of questions, focus on quality practice. Study the most frequent meta-tagged questions from the past 6 months on LeetCode. Your goal is to understand the different approaches used to solve these common questions and learn why some methods work better than others. Remember, this will only come with practice. Lastly, and this is important, the coding problems you encounter will typically mirror real-world scenarios. Your interviewers are genuinely interested in understanding your thinking process, how you consider different approaches, and your reasoning behind choosing a specific solution strategy. So it's crucial to communicate your thought process clearly. So, Practice this round with a mock interviewer, possibly with a friend, colleague, or professional to get better at explaining your approach and reasoning, and any trade-offs you are considering. You can find several machine learning engineers at Meta on platforms like Prepfully, who would be happy to help you out. Find the link in the description box. Now, moving to the pirate round. This one basically includes ML systems and product design challenges. You will be asked to build a modern text system, think Instagram or Facebook Messenger, and you will need to create a high-level design for it. This would also involve discussing components, data flow, scalability, and more. Other specific challenges will include suggesting an approach for solving problems using machine learning techniques. We recommend practicing this interview with friends or colleagues. Or better yet, you can go to professional platforms like Prepfully to book a session with an ML engineer from Meta to get that much needed realistic practice and also receive constructive feedback on your performance, as well as tips to improve. This brings us to the third and last round, the Jedi Culture Fit round. This one is a textbook behavioral round where you can anticipate questions around your background and the reasons why you are interested in joining the Facebook team. I have 2 tips for this round. First, you will be asked specific scenario-based and previous work-based questions. For instance, challenges you have overcome, how you collaborate with others, resolve conflicts, etc. So make sure you prepare for this in advance. Think ahead and narrow down specific projects, anecdotes you will discuss to demonstrate your soft skills, leadership acumen, etc. Instances you are proud of, achievements, failures, and more. Next, remember to align your responses with Meta's ethos and vision, to project yourself as an ideal candidate for their culture. Plus, don't forget to highlight the reason you think you would succeed there. Right, that's all from us. Lots of additional helpful resources in the description. Don't forget to check them out. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe. Thanks and good luck.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe. Our website is prepfully.com. We've got lots of interview questions there. You can also schedule a mock interview with one of our experts. You can find the link in the description below. All the best from us at Prepfully, and we hope you totally rock your interview.